Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Um we're gonna be doing a little bit of grid. Sorry, I can't talk today, but let's start from the very beginning. First of all, let's make a folder. Can just name it anything. In this case, I would like to do grid. Alright. Alright. Then we're gonna open up a Visual Studio Code. Uh, you can use any code editor, but in this case, I'm just using Visual Studio because I like the way it is. Alright, can we move this? Alright, let's move this like all the way down here. Okay, I got this open. Go to File, open folder that you just created. I called it grid and select the folder. Alright, so right here, click on this icon, new file, to create a new file. Alright, so I'm just gonna call it index.html. Alright, and do that. I'll give it a title of grid. Alright, save it for now, and let's create another folder for style.css. Alright, so first of all, do we want a container for it? So maybe not. Okay, no container. I would like to do a sidebar. So we're gonna do a sidebar. I just like using div for everything. I don't know why. It just made it easier for me, I guess. But whatever you feel like you could use, you can just use it. Alright, and then I want to have a nav bar. And then main. And then footer. Later I might add something. Well, let's see, I don't want main. I want like three sections. Right. So picture this. You have a square box, right? Can I draw it? Maybe not, but you'll see it. Section 1, and just do this 3 times. Section 2, section 3. So I would like to have sidebar going down from top to bottom, and the navbar hitting the right side of the sidebar to the end. And then the 3 sections, I would like them to go below the navbar across, and then further all the way across. Alright, I don't know how to explain it, but I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Alright, first of all, we're gonna give it a body, and we're gonna give it a display grid. And then let me do this so you guys can visualize it right there. I'm gonna open up this with a live server. Okay. There we go. Alright. So display grid. It's not gonna do anything for now because we haven't defined anything yet. And we're gonna use grid template columns. I'm gonna use repeat. No, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Yeah, repeat 4 columns, 1 FR, make it the same size. For this example, grid template rows, and we're gonna have 1, 2. Let's see, we're gonna have 1, and then 2, 3. Only 3 rows. Okay. Repeat 3, 1, 4. Alright. It's actually not gonna do anything yet. I'm gonna give it a grid template areas. This is where things gonna change. Alright. Imagine what I just said, right? I know I don't have anything to visualize, but this should show you what I would like to, happen here. We have a sidebar, and then we have 4 columns, right? That's 1 column, and then we're gonna have nav bar, because we want it to, like we defined it here. We have 4 columns. We want to use all 4 columns, and like I said, sidebar is gonna go down here, and the nav bar gonna go across. And then we're gonna have sidebar, and then we're gonna have section 1, section 2, section 3, and the last row is sidebar. No sidebar. We want footer, and footer. So as you could probably imagine, the sidebar is gonna go down here, and then you're gonna have a footer going across, going horizontally, and the sidebar is going vertically, and the nav bar are gonna go here, and the sections are gonna go in the middle, going across. So let's see what it's doing. We're gonna go. Alright, what's up with that? I haven't saved it yet, that's why. Maybe. Huh. Oh yeah, I haven't linked it yet. Alright. Yeah, don't ever make these mistakes, because whatever you do here is not gonna show. But bang, right there. And we're gonna hit this one. Oh, it's not showing anything yet for a moment, because we haven't put anything. Alright. Just add some text. Alright. So you can probably imagine what we have here, right? I got a sidebar and a sidebar, a nav bar, a nav bar, and a nav bar. And then we got footer, and then section 1, section 2, section 3. So, and now let's make it work. Sidebar. We're gonna add grid area sidebar. You see, okay, right there. And then nav bar, grid area, nav bar, nav bar. Alright, as you can see, it's using all of these, right? It doesn't have like the ones it has right here, different sections. Alright, and then section 1 grid area. Let's do that. 2, 3. Could just copy this. Right there, it's not doing anything, but it's okay. And then the last one is footer. Yep. All right. Now let's give it a color. Background color. Just random color. I don't care. All right. All right. Here it is. Now let's give some width and height. Let's do, hold on, let's see if I could do this. Height. There we go. Alright guys, as you can see, this is how the layout is turning out. And now we could just delete all this because we don't really need it. Or we could just, if you want to be more descriptive, we could at least put, you know, this, the name, sidebar, nav bar, sec 1, sec 2, sec 3, and then footer. There we go. And we can even make this better. See if I could do this. I don't know. Text line. Center. Yeah, there we go. And then oh, nope. Never mind. So yeah, look at this. Let's make it responsive. See if it's responsive, you know. Nope. And if you want to make it responsive, it's pretty easy. Alright, a media query. Using media query and screen with 400 pixels. We will just rearrange this in here. Body, not border style, body, and then we're gonna do one FR because we only want like one column for mobile. And then how many? Yeah, we keep the rows the same. And then we need to redefine these as well. So where will we like nav bar? We will like it on the top. Okay, and then sidebar, the second row. Oh, actually, it's gonna have like, okay. Section 1. Okay. As you can imagine, I'm gonna have more than 3 rows. So I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we just change this number to 6. And then I think this should work. Let's try it out. Let's see. There we go. You see? Alright guys, I think that's it for today. Hopefully y'all learned something about grid template areas. Although I'm not really good at it. It's my first video. I don't know how to talk. But this should give you an idea of what the power of grid template areas. It's pretty simple. Alright guys, hope you enjoy that.